Dan and AD welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. Or why not visit us and buy your car in the traditional way? Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for a free valuation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01 332 58 5151. Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic Volvo XC60 for a little test drive. Keyless start on these, so foot on the brake, press the start stop button there. Car fires up nicely, slip it down into drive, and away we go. So we do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there. Gearbox feels ultra smooth. The suspension's riding the bumps on this pothole ridden country road with ease. Brakes feel nice. Steering feels good. So the car is driving spot on as it should. It is a really lovely car to drive. Luxurious, I'd even say. So smooth. Great visibility. And also amazing specification on the Volvo. So we've got the sat-nav on display there at the moment. This multimedia system's also got DAB radio, as well as FM and AM and the old CD player. You've also got Bluetooth on there, both for your mobile phone, hands-free, and for your audio streaming. USB port, I think there's an auxiliary port as well, so loads of different ways to connect your devices. Really lovely plush leather seats. Are these going to let me out? Because I'm not giving you a lot of room. Thank you. Yeah, really lovely leather seats. Dual zone climate control. Nice leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. Really modern digital dash display. Rear parking sensors, reversing camera. You've also got a detachable tow bar on this car as well. Automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers. So loads and loads of spec. I was about to demonstrate straight to you how much power this car has got, but I've just come across someone driving 20 miles an hour, so that might be difficult. Let's let it back up a little bit. You'll have to take my word for it, but yeah, it's got loads of power. This is a steep hill. Just cruises up it easily. So yeah, really spacious, really versatile, proper car. Going to make a great purchase for somebody. Perhaps that might be you. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful. Oh, stop start as well. Got to look after the planet. I hope that's been useful for you. Thanks for watching. You take care and bye for now.